so we're going to. Okay, 今天 Jordan 好像也挺乖的，是不是？Okay, so boys and girls, today we're going to learn how to plant trees.
This again.
好了，你都会的，是不是啊？好，行啊。Jordan 说他都会的，我们等一下看看 Jordan 是不是都会啊。So every
No, we did this last year. How am I supposed to remember that?
那就看看你会不会嘛，对不对？我们以前学过的都忘了，那就是白学了呀，对不对？Okay, so let me ask Anna a question. Okay, Anna, how many trees are there on the
Is
picture?
it down at the bottom?
Yeah,
4.
very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, Eleanor, how many intervals are there?
3.
Intervals. Very good. Okay, so 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. 3 intervals. Okay, 4 trees, 3 intervals, right? Okay. Okay, so let me ask Alexander. Alexander, how many trees are there we have?
5.
Okay, very good. 5 trees. And could you please tell me how many intervals are there?
4.
4 intervals. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, Jordan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. Can you tell me how many intervals are there?
5.
5 intervals. Okay, so now everybody, please write it to me. Send it to me by chat. Okay, send it to me by chat. If I have 100 trees, how many intervals are there? Please send it to me. Good job. Eleanor, good job. Jordan, good job. Anna, good job. Let me see. 还有谁没 Alexander, good job. Amelia 没有发给 Amelia 你今天不能说话，还是可以打字的。那打字也不能打，手也断掉了。这是感冒，不是断手啦。Jordan，你说是不是？我以为 Amelia 手断掉了嘞，这是感冒呀，对不对？Okay, very good. Okay, so everybody, so if you have the number of tree, so it's equals the number of tree plus 1, right? Okay, so let me ask you a very simple question. Okay, so still these trees, okay, still these trees. We're still using 4 trees. Okay, so everybody, let me ask you. Okay, so if we have 4 trees, okay, and every distance between 2 trees are 3 meters. Okay, so that means the distance between 2 is 3 meters. Okay, so
the tree and the last tree is 9 meters.
So what is the distance between the first tree and the last tree?
9 meters.
Okay, very good, Jordan, because for 4 trees, we have 3 intervals. And for each of the interval, we have 3 meters. So 3 times 3 equals 9 meters. Correct, everybody?
Yes.
Correct, everybody? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so now my question is, if you have 5 trees, and each of the trees distance is 4 meters, no, 14 meters. 哎，我们拿一点, 14 meters. What is the distance between the first and the last tree?
56 meters.
Why it is 56, Jordan?
14 times 4 is 56.
Mm-hmm. Very good, because for 5 trees, Anna, understand? There are 4 intervals, and every interval is 14 meters, so it's 56 meters. Very good. Okay, so everybody, Now the question became, if I have 100 trees, no, I will have 101 trees. Okay, so the distance between two trees is 5 meters. What is the distance between the first and the last trees?
500 meters.
Very good. Does everybody, okay, Anna, good job, very good. Okay, Eleanor, Alexander. Okay, very good. Another Jordan sent me the answer. Good job. I'm still looking for Eleanor and Alexander's. Alexander 为什么是505？我们看一下 Alexander，如果一共有4棵树，对不对 ？You see, when we have 4 trees, the interval is 3 interval, 1 interval, 2 interval, and 3 interval, right? For each of the interval, they have 3 times 3. So each of the interval is 3 meters. So 3 times 3 equals 9 meters, right? And when you have 5 meters, yeah, very good. Okay, Alexander 说，老师, I fixed it. Okay, very good. Everybody understand? Eleanor, do you understand?
Yeah.
So now let's take a look at this one, okay? So if we have 2 trees, but there's no trees planted at the opposite end of the road. So technically, there's only 1 interval. Get it, everybody? So this is very important if the question is telling you there is first and the last tree existing. And how to say that is the trees planted at the opposite ends of the road. 就是说两头都有树. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that is how does English describe it, okay? How does the tree planted on the opposite end of each tree? Okay, so everybody, I am going to block the analyze. Okay, number 2 and number 3. Please do it and send me the answer.
Okay, sending it to you.
Okay, good.
I hate typing.
有些小朋友特别喜欢 typing，有些小朋友特别不喜欢。Okay. So we needed two questions, okay? So I'm just helping you with the first one. A tree is planted on every 10 meters along a stretch of road. Eleanor, what does it mean? That means the interval between 2 trees is 10 meters. Get it? Okay, if the stretch road is 150 meters long and the trees are planted on opposite of the road. Okay, so that means the last one and the first one, they have trees. Okay, so 150 divided by 10 equals 15, right, Eleanor? But think about it. If it is like that, you're just calculating how many trees are there in between this 150 meters. But you didn't count the last one. So when you have 150 divided by 10 equals 15, you need to do what? 15 plus 1 equals 16. So the answer is 16. Okay, good job. Okay, number 2. Everybody, please do yourself. Okay, number 2.
Do I send it to you?
Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. In the building, there are 8 steps in the staircase leading from one story to another. 也就是说，如果小朋友们我们在1楼，对不对？我们要走到2楼 ，Eleanor 需要走几步路啊？8 steps. Correct, Anna? Okay, so if you want to go to the 2 to the 3, you also need to do 8 steps. Correct? Okay, so how many steps are there from the 2nd to the 10th? Okay, so if it is 2nd to the 3rd is 3 minus 2 equals 1, 8. If it is 4 to 2, it's 4 minus 2 equals 2, and 2 times 8 equals 16. Correct, everybody? So from 2 to 10 is what? 10 minus 2 equals 8, and 8 times 8 equals 64. 哎，你看 Anna 做的很好的，对不对？8乘以8，他说等于46，是不是写反了 Anna？对不对？还有这样的小朋友的，哎呀，哎呀，哎呀，哎呀。Okay, so understand everybody? Good job. Okay, very good. All we need to do is just a very clear drawing. Very good. Thank you, Alexander. So everybody, let's take a look at number 3, okay? So please do number 3 yourself, and if you have time, you can do number 4 as well, okay? Okay, I have received Eleanor's, I have received Anna's. Okay, very good. So everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so I'm going to do this one on here. So there are 50 lamps along a stretch road with a place opposite end. So that means what? 第一个有一个 lamp, 对不对？最后也有一个 lamp, correct? Okay, each lamp post 2 meters away from each other. How long is the road? Okay, so altogether there are 50 lamps. And you know there are how many intervals there? 49 intervals, correct, Eleanor? Eleanor, 你只是不能说话，你可以打字的。Okay, I'm very disappointed. You're not focusing. You're not how trying. Okay, 要发给老师的答案，对不对？你就不做题了，到现在。Okay, so each of the interval is 2 meters. Eleanor, correct? So 49 times 2 equals 98 meters. Correct? Very good. Okay, number 3. Congratulations, Eleanor, Anna, and Alexander. Jordan, 你今天怎么了呀？也不会做题了呀。Okay, number 4. So let's ask Jordan to read the question for us.
There are 21 trees planted along the road divider with trees planted at opposite ends. The trees are planted at regular intervals of 2 meters. Some lamp posts are to be placed along the opposite side of the road at regular intervals of 10 meters. How many lamp posts are required on the opposite side of the road if lamp posts are placed at opposite ends of the road?
好，过一下好不好？So number 4, everybody, please do yourself. Sorry, I'll mute myself. I have received Eleanor first, Anna, and Eleanor. Huh? 哦，又有 Eleanor 发了2次。OK, Eleanor 换了一个答案 Jordan. OK, second one is your answer. OK, no problem. OK, so let's take a look at this one. There are 21 trees planted along the road drive with trees planted opposite end. OK, 一共有21棵树，对不对？ The trees are planted at a regular interval. Does everybody understand what does a regular mean? Regular means the interval are the same. Okay, if some lamp posts are to be placed along the opposite side of the road at a regular interval of 10. How many lamp posts are required? Okay, first of all, we need to find out how long is the road, correct? With 21 trees to the end and the last one, so we know the interval is 21 minus 1 equals 20, correct? And each of them are 2 meters, is 2 meters times 20 equals 40 meters. Okay, everybody, but take a look at this one. Then on this road, we're going to put what? Lamp post. 我们把种树的这个路啊，我们要在每隔10米要放一个电灯泡。然后每个电灯泡之间的距离呢是10米。Understand, Anna? So altogether distance is 40 meters. 每个小朋友都做对了，但是后面题目没看懂。每隔10米要放一个电灯柱子，那一共有几个柱子？1个、2个、3个、4个、5个。Get it? So it's 40 divided by 4, sorry, divided by 10 plus 1, because you're having them at the end of the last. So it's 5 lamp intervals. Get it, everybody? OK, 这个不对了啊，题目没看完，前面40已经做对了，后面没做完，对不对？OK, 好 let's take a look at number 1 and number 2, OK? So think about it. How does teacher do all the questions earlier? So let's do 1 and 2 first. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So, okay. 谁说你是 dumb 的？一点都不 dumb. Okay, so the stretch of road leading to Cindy's house is to be planted some trees at a regular interval of 15 meters. 也就是说 tree 和 tree 之间是15米，对不对？Okay, so And trees are planted opposite end, so that means the last one they have trees as well. Okay, so the road is 900 meters. So how many trees are there? If there's no opposite end of the road, so it's exactly 900 divided by 15 equals 60 trees. But Eleanor, don't you remember we have to plant the last one? So 60 plus 1 equals 61 trees. Get it, everybody? Okay, good job, Alexander. Very good. Okay, so let's take look at number 2, everybody. Eleanor, do you understand? Because you see, if I have 30 meters, 比较短一点，对不对？每隔15米种一棵树。那你看，如果按照你的来算，30 divided by 15 equals 2. But you have what? Plus 1, because there's the end of there's always another tree on top of it. Understand, everybody? Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, I want to ask Anna, can you read the question for us?
Pine trees are planted at regular inter wait, pine trees are planted at regular inter
不会读，怎么会不会读？
I forgot what the word is called.
Intervals.
Intervals
Mhm.
of 5 meters along a stretch of road of pine trees planted at opposite ends of the road. The road is 150 meters long. How many pine trees are needed to be planted along the road?
Okay, so everybody, please take a look at this one, okay? OK， 好，我看到 Anna 发给我了，别的小朋友加油啊！Jordan 发给我 Alexander 发给我 Anna，你用小的数字试试看。You using 10 meters 画一画，因为100米的话，150米要画很长时间。Okay, let's take a look at this one, okay? Pine trees are planted at a regular interval along a stretch road with pine trees planted at opposite end of the road. OK， 好 ，Anna，我们先画一个10米。如果这个路只有10米 ，if it is 10 meters, so every 5 meters you plant a tree, and the tree is on the first and last, there's another tree. 你看一个有几个 So it's 10 divided by 5 plus 1 equals 3, right? And let's see if there's a 15 meters long. So I can see there's 2 trees, obviously, but there's also another one on the top and another one on the bottom, right? So it's 15 divided by 5 plus 1 equals 4. Okay, so now it's 150. So it's 150 divided by 5 then plus 1. Get it, Anna? It's division, okay? So it's 31 trees. Very good, okay? I have seen Jordan give me the right answer. Alexander gave me the answer. And Eleanor and Amelia, do you understand, Amelia? Which part you don't understand? Amelia? Which part you don't understand? The question, you don't understand the question? Okay, I think you need to take a look at the video, okay? You take a look at the video. I think I have explained very well. Jordan, 不要玩了. Okay, Eleanor, do you understand the question right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Number 3, okay? So number 3, Eleanor, can you read the question?
Number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Lampposts are placed at regular intervals of 30 meters along a 1,800 meter road. If the lampposts are placed at opposite ends of the road, how many lampposts are placed along the road?
Okay, can you do it? Everybody? OK，小朋友们看好这个一样的题目，对不对？你们如果这个想不出，我们就先弄一个短一点的。不对不对，OK。所以我们先想一想，这个题目说什么？每隔30米要放一个路灯，对不对？OK 啊，我们小朋友先来一个短一点的，好了，60米。60米有几个路灯？60米，每隔30米放一个路灯。第一个放一个，中间放一个，最后放一个，对不对？Correct。OK，这里有30米，这里也有30米，对不对？好了，小朋友们看到了吗？OK，那有60米的话，是不是本来60除以30应该只有2盏路灯啊？你怎么会有3盏呢？一、二、三，为什么有3盏路灯呢？Why, Jordan？小朋友们看到了吗？因为最后还有1盏路灯，所以是3盏，对不对啦？那我们现在如果这里有1800米，那一样啊，1800除以30等于多少？安娜？是不是等于60盏啊？所以60加1等于61盏。OK，so Jordan，你的1800除以30等于600，对不对？啊，算错了，应该等于60。Get it, Jordan？OK，Alexander，very good。哦，Eleanor 和 Anna 还有 box full of burger，understand？为什么是这样的？你们要把图画出来，不把图画出来做不出来的。OK，好，什么还有小朋友说什么54000？Amelia 今天又不是感冒了，又不是，对不对？脑子还是要用的，对不对？OK，12 student standing in a queue，12个小朋友排成一排站好。如果每2个小朋友中间有4盆花，那一共有多少盆花在这12个小朋友中间？OK，Alexander。And Eleanor, Amelia，开始了啊！你们做一下。Yeah, of course you can go to washroom. OK，好，小朋友们来看一下，如果只有两个小朋友 ，if there are only 2 students， 他们中间有几盆花？是不是有4盆花？对不对？好了，如果有3个小朋友呢？老师画的花太难看了，像鸡蛋一样。OK，有几盆花？是不是8盆花 ？OK, so actually this is talking about how many intervals between 12 people. Jordan, how many intervals between 12 people? Jordan, how many intervals are there between 12 people? 来，所有的小朋友把声音打开 ，OK？I'm just Jordan，谁让你上课的时候可以在玩呢？对啊，老师在问你，有 11，OK，有 11 intervals，OK，每个小朋友都把声音打开。Okay, so Alexander, 11 intervals. Every interval 里面有几朵花 How many flowers are there?
44.
对了，times 4 equals 44 flowers. Very good. 我跟你讲啊，今天学的最好的是 Alexander. OK? Jordan 36哪里来的？你还在那边玩这个东西，不许玩了，放下。那我
Okay.
现在没有在上英语球课。OK, no, understand? Okay, I don't understand. Okay, number 5. Everybody, number 5. OK，小朋友们，第5题啊。来看一下，小朋友们讲好了吗？ Okay, so yes, you can go to washroom, okay? Cindy and Morris stayed on the 5th and 6th floor for the apartment respectively. So this is the 5th floor and Cindy was there. And this is the 6th floor, and Morris was there. Okay, so if Cindy walked 80 steps up the staircase from the ground floor to her house, how many steps did Morris walk from the ground floor to her floor?
100.
OK，你看，他说 Cindy 从1楼走到5楼用了80个 step，对不对？
Or
So
interval.
that's what it says. So it's 5 minus 1 equals 4, correct? So 80 divided by 4 equals 20 steps. Okay, everybody? So Morris is what? Is 6 minus 1 equals 5 steps? Sorry, 5 floors. So 5 times 20 equals 100 steps. Okay, Eleanor, let me explain to you, okay? 就是这个 Cindy 住在5楼 ，OK？ 然后呢，从1楼走到5楼需要走80个台阶 ，OK？ 那 Morris 呢住在6楼，他问你从1楼走到6楼要用多少个台阶？那我们就要知道每一个楼层有多少个台阶，对不对？对不对？那1楼到5楼一共有多少个楼层啊？你看1到2， 2到3， 3到4， 4到5，所以只有几个 interval。1到5楼感觉是有5个 interval， 其实只有4个 interval。Very good. So 80 divided by 4 equals 20 intervals. And 1, so 1楼到6楼有几个 interval？ 有5个 interval. So it's 20 times 5 equals 100 steps. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, 我们小朋友今天是不是因为下雨，我怎么觉得好像大家都精神有点不太好的样子？那我们下次，但是今天 Alexander 学的最好。OK， 今天 Amelia 学的不太好，感觉是不是生病了，所以脑子都被吃掉了呀？OK， 我们下一节课老师希望每一个小朋友再学的好一点，好不好？Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye bye.